Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to check your gig on Fiverr. So once you log into your page, the first thing you have to do is to check or click on my business section, then go on and click on gigs. So once you click on gigs, it should bring a list of all the gigs you have active on your page. Right now I have 3 active gigs. You can see them here, and if there is anyone pending approval, it would appear here, and anyone that requires modification or is still in draft or denied or pause, you would see them appear in the appropriate section. So we can see that I will have this is an account that I'm actually managing for someone, and it's a relatively new account, so that's why these impressions are this low. But one way to actually stand out is that you can leave your just make sure you're online, if possible 24/7. You'll see a drastic increase in your impression and clicks and even others. So guys, that is how check for to check your gigs on Fiverr. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.